Hey, my name's Gabriel Stockton. Today's question is, how do I stretch 300-gram watercolor paper that warps? I'm so stoked I just got this question because I just happened to get this really cool frame. Now, I have an example of some paper here. And this paper, we're going to wet it, all right? I have this Escoda 1-inch flat Ultimo. This is a synthetic brush that I'm putting clean water on. It's a little slippery when wet, but I'm going to cover this whole entire surface. I'm going to get this nice and wet, that it's just like every area is completely wet. You got to be sure to go up and down and sideways and across, getting the whole entire surface. I think what's really cool about this process is it just might get you some wonderful, beautiful effects when painting this. Now flipped over this paper on the back side. See that little top X at the top left corner? Back of the paper. This paper particularly I'm using is Saunders Waterford Rough. I've never had any warpage problem with this, but it was just what I just happen to have for this video frame here. It's by this guy. His name's Eric Davis. He created this. It's the Eric Plein Air watercolor frame. And I'm also adding some water. And right here, this is the quarter size. It's like a French name. It's Le Quarter. This particular size. There's two sizes. One for a half sheet of watercolor paper and one for a quarter size. So here you see I'm smoothing it out. Can't really mess up this portion of it, okay? I'm adding just a little bit more water to the sides there. It is kind of drying up on me. It is a nice warm evening here in San Diego. And there we go. We drop the frame down, and then there's these wonderful little clamps. They just easily just slip onto the side. This thing weighs really light. And the cool thing about it, it has a little screw for your tripod. So you could take this with you. I would wait for the sheen to go away, and then it's ready to paint. Thank you so much. If you have any other questions, put them down in the comments. I'll put the link for this and the link for the brush. Take care. Keep asking those questions. See you soon. Oh yeah, smash that like button and be willing to share this. Take care.